The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is the second day of our Triduum in honor of our founder, Saint Joseph Marello. In our gospel, Jesus said, anyone who leaves his family, his brothers and sisters, everything that he has for the sake of God will be rewarded. And I guess if there is one person who can truly witness to us the love of God for a person who leaves everything, it will be Saint Joseph Marello. You know, the story of Saint Joseph Marello was when he was a child, he got a typhoid fever. And so in his dream, our Blessed Mother appeared to him, telling him, if you will come back to the seminary, you will be healed. And he told that to his father, Vincenzo. And then after that, he was really healed until he became a priest. You know, Saint Joseph Marello, all throughout his life, would like to repay God for all the blessings that he received. Even if his own mother died at a very young age, but then again, he didn't take it against God. Rather, he saw blessing, he saw opportunity in every difficulties that he encountered in his life. He was faithful servant of the Lord. Saint Joseph Marello will teach us all that if you want to truly devote yourself to God, there must be no conditions. You must give your all to the Lord, even if that would mean leaving your own family, even if that would mean leaving from your comfort zones. Saint Joseph Marello dedicated all his life for the sake of the people who are experiencing difficulties, the poor, the young, the elderly. He saw how devastated the church was during his time. He saw the need of more people who will be working for the sake of the kingdom of God. That's why he founded the Oblates of St. Joseph. And the first role of the Oblates of St. Joseph was to help the priests. They acted as sacristans. They acted as catechists. Saint Joseph didn't want the Oblates of Saint Joseph to be someone at the forefront. He wanted the Oblates of Saint Joseph as someone hidden, like Saint Joseph, our patron, the husband of Mary. So today, as we are reflecting on the life of Joseph Marello, let the gospel remind us all of leaving everything behind, that God, who is a faithful God, will forever bless anyone who will be bold enough to leave everything for His sake. God bless.